We're going to make an eggless ice cream using our trusty KitchenAid mixer, and we're going to be trying out a new bowl that I bought on Amazon that allows you to freeze and mix the ice cream. It comes with a couple of attachments, and this ice cream that we're going to make has only got a few ingredients. You know I make homemade vanilla extract, so it's got the homemade vanilla extract in it, heavy cream, pinch of salt, and sweetened condensed milk, 1 can. All right, so I've been freezing my bowl, my double insulated bowl that belongs to my KitchenAid, in my side-by-side freezer. And the reason that I'm pointing that out is I want you to see that it fits in there very nicely. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to set this onto and lock it in place onto the KitchenAid. Okay, we twist that right into place. We're going to take this attachment that came with this device and set it down into my bowl. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my ingredients. I'm going to start with the sweetened condensed milk. Make sure that we get all of it out of the can. We're going to put in about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons. You know I don't measure. Of vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. And 3 cups of heavy cream. That I will measure. Now, the exciting thing is that we're looking forward to trying all the different types of ice cream that we can make. This one is going to be obviously a vanilla because it's the first one we're making with this device. But I'll taste that sweetened condensed milk. All right, so I'm going to bring my paddle down. It should fit on there nicely. I'm going to lock my KitchenAid into place, and I'm going to put it on the first setting. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be churning the ice cream for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'll show you what we've got. Once it is churned, you can eat it right then and there at this point. It would be more like soft serve. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them into some glass bowls and cover them tightly and put them into the freezer so that we can have this ice cream on hand, so we can try a little bit and, you know, have it for a few nights. Now, if I was making this for a crowd, I might go ahead and serve it soft serve. Maybe the kids might like it right in a cone. That would be easy too. The most important thing you have to remember is the bowl needs to be frozen about 24 hours before you're going to use it. So you just got to think about this a day ahead of time, what you want to make with, what type of ice cream you want to make and when you want to make it. This yesterday, and what we'll do is we will put it back in the freezer once we have it inside these glass bowls for about another 2 to 3 hours. We're going to try this tonight after dinner and see how it goes. If we like the flavor on this, we might even add in some chocolate chips, make chocolate chip ice cream out of this. That would be great. I'm looking forward to some funky flavors, like some lavender, lemon, and some other kinds of things. And we'll let you know how this goes. If this goes well, then we'll give you all those other recipes. My ice cream has been churning on that low speed, that number 1 speed, for about 20 minutes now, and we can see it's starting to thicken up. We're really excited to give this a taste and see how it comes out. By the way, if you're interested in the bowl and the attachment, we can tell you all about that. We'll let you know which one we bought on Amazon. We'll put that in the comments. It is almost done churning. I'm getting really excited I want to taste it is the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn off my mixer. Let me get this off the stand. Let's show you what it looks like in the bowl. So this is what it looks like in the bowl. It still has the attachment inside. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to just scoop it out and put it into this bowl here and put the cover on it. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little taste of it here because I'm dying to. That is so sweet and so creamy. I have an assistant here. Maybe he'd like to get a taste.
That's good.
That's really nice, isn't it?
That's really good.
Okay, so I'm going to scoop this out, and then I'm going to give you a quick look at what we got here. And then what we'll do is we'll give you a look at how this kind of turns out in a couple of hours from now, when it's more like a hard ice cream that you could scoop. But as I said before, you could eat this just the way it is, as soft serve. And that's how much ice cream. Looks like regular ice cream to me. Let's get a little scoop in there. See how it scoops out. Oh, it scoops out beautifully. Look at that. All right. Let's just make a little bowl of this. Rich, creamy ice cream that tastes almost frosting-like to me. It's so good.